G. Body John, David Brunner, Mike Kraft, 67 Long Bed, 85 Cuddy Boy, Tony Stanton, Mr. Random, Jerry Decker, Leon Jackson, D. Brooks, Hustle Hard.
We back with that update for that turbo kit. Man, the cheapest turbo kit you could ever imagine getting, man. I'm telling you, check it out. Big shout out to everybody that's participating, everybody that's, trying their luck at getting that turbo kit. Somebody's gonna get it. I said 2 to 3 weeks. We got 1 week down from the last video, it looks like, or close to it. A couple more numbers have rolled in. A couple more people have got into it. Everybody that's got a number in them 100 spots is automatically entered into the 5-3 giveaway. All 100 spots. How do you lose? How do you lose? And then I got some other people that want to donate to that particular cause as well. So check it out. You're not only going to get a 5-3, you're more than likely going to get some other things. Not sure what those donations will be, but people have reached out and said that they want to be a part of this and want to give as well. So January 1 is what we're looking at as far as giving away that 5-3. But I appreciate everybody that's jumped in and got them a number, and those have gotten several numbers, and I mean several numbers. Salute to you. Turbo kit giveaway. Everything that a man could want. You will have to get an intercooler if you're gonna, run. It's totally optional. Intercoolers. You go back and watch my other video, you will see that an intercooler is optional. It's not a must, it's not a have to. But salute to everybody that's got a ticket. Big shout out to everybody that's got a ticket.